We are solving a NEET 2021 question in alternate currents. The problem says an inductor of inductancial capacitor C and resistor R are connected in LCR circuit as shown. We can see here the inductance of the inductor is L, capacitor of capacity is C, resistance R. So when is an LCR circuit, potential differences are given for us, an AC source of current is given for us, what's the impedance of the circuit is. So first of all, what is the current given for you is the amplitude of the current passing through that, I is 10 root 2 amperes. I have to write the RMS current. IRMS current is maximum current or the current in the circuit by root 2. Current in the circuit is 10 root 2 by root 2. So current, RMS current is 10 amperes. Once if you know the RMS current, you can calculate the voltage across the circuit. You know the inductance and capacitance are always in opposite phase. Say this is VL, this is VC, this is VR. As inductance and capacitance are opposite phase and their resultant is perpendicular, VL and VC are opposite and their resultant is perpendicular to VR. That's the voltage across resistance. That's how the phase difference happens in the inductor, capacitor and resistor. That implies the resultant voltage of all of them can be found as these two are opposite, VL minus VC, and the resultant is perpendicular to VR, so plus VR square. So the values if you substitute, VL is 40, VC is 10, this is whole square plus this is again 40 square, that is root of 30 square plus 40 square, that is root of 2500, that is 50 volts. Now you know the voltage in the circuit and the RMS current in the circuit, and I can write V resultant is equal to IRMS into the opposition to the flow of the circuit called something like Z, which is called as impedance of the circuit. So the impedance of the circuit is the effective voltage by RMS current. Effective voltage is 50, RMS current is 10, so that is 5 ohms. So the answer for the problem is 5 ohms. That's how we have to solve the problem. It is just a formula based problem. Once if you know the concepts, basic concepts of how voltage and voltage has different phases across inductor, capacitor and resistor, you can solve this problem, right? Knowing this concept is important here actually. Thank you for watching.